Installing the Power BI mobile app for your phone or tablet is pretty darn quick. So right here I'm in Android. I'm going to go ahead and start by going to the Play Store, right? And in the Play Store, I'm going to head up here and search, and I'm just going to search, as you might expect, for Power BI. Power. It's a little easier to do when you're not recording a video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Power BI right there. I'm looking for that little icon. That's the one that I want. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the install button. Now I could hit the open button to open it directly right there, but just so you can see what it looks like from sort of your desktop, I'm going to hit my back button here to head back to my main page, and it's going to add it here on my third page. So here I am on my main page. It added it all the way at the end. There's my Power BI icon. That's the one that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Power BI. Okay. And what I do, it's going to ask me, it's basically going to show me this little preview of stuff I can learn about Power BI. I could hit Get Started, but I'm going to go ahead and skip this. Go through it if you want to. I'm going to hit the skip button right there. Okay, and I'm going to go Start Exploring. And here's the part that's pretty important. I actually have to connect this to my Power BI account. So I'm going to hit the little hamburger icon right there. Hamburger icon. And I'm going to hit Connect Account. Okay. Now, if my organization is using Report Server, I'll hit the Report Server button. Myself, and I think most of you, will be using regular old Power BI, so that's the one that you're going to hit. And if you're not sure, it's probably the top one. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Power BI. And it's going to ask me to sign in. Now, this phone is already connected to my CSG Pro account, so this is going to be nice and easy. If you haven't already connected your phone to one of those accounts, you may have to enter both your username and your password. Myself, I'm just going to hit this sign in button. And a bunch of stuff is going to happen, but I'm not going to have to actually do anything. I just get to watch it. Okay, and when it's all done, it's going to ask, hey, do you want to turn on the new look for Power BI? I'm going to go ahead and turn it on because I think it looks a little bit better. And I'm going to hit next, next, next a couple of times. More information for new users. And here I am on my home page, and I am good to go.